This video was made possible from the support of Trophy Tackle. Visit them on the web at tunafishtackle.com. Hey South Shore anglers, the jigging and plugging action was red hot once again east of the Fire Island Inlet. Captain Al Lorenzetti and Kevin Ryan fished until their arms hurt before calling it quits shortly after lunch. Here's a short compilation of just some of the action from today. Be sure to keep checking out Skimmeroutdoors for Captain Al Lorenzetti's latest how-to fishing segments.
Oh, look at this right under the boat. Oh my God.